Hi, good afternoon, everybody. I just wanted to come here and show you all exactly what it is that I am dealing with currently in regards to um, the unfair. Uh, this is just horrible. I've been spending hours trying to upload a video from one of my personal social onto my Absolute Justice for Shalice Map social. Unfortunately, it only saves 20 minutes of it. I had an entire process where I recorded myself in the library, and it's only showing 20 minutes of a 50-minute video. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to play the full live video because unfortunately, Facebook deletes videos after 30 days. And right now, this is going to be the 29th day. Yesterday, June 24th, around 4 something, I had went to the Trenton Municipal Court to file a motion to reopen vacate judgment in regards to this matter right here. Um, this case right here between me and somebody who I formerly had in my life and I knew since I was growing up, but I really wanted to push this matter to trial because I had enough evidence. And the judge had closed it. And also, I had recorded the judge multiple occasions showing bias, neglect, and actually some very questionable actions that is actually unlawful. So here I am without further ado because the reason why I want to put this out is because I want to show you guys before the office hours of the Trenton Municipal Court Law Department. So it's imperative that I do that because it helps further confirm that I did this yesterday. I did this basically prior to office hours on June 25th, which is today. Today is June 25th. It's 5:16 a.m. right now. I'm showing you this video that I had live streamed yesterday. I will show you the link, but remember that it's only valid for 30 days. Well, 30 days from the day it was on live. And because um, Facebook, the people who have been stalking me, harassing me, and hacking my phones are blocking every single which way in order for me to have absolute justice. I'm over here playing it from my phone. Okay. I'm going to play it from my phone. So I'm playing this video right here and I'm going to play it from my phone. But this part right here is this part right here that you've probably seen in the screen is the from the library, but I'm going to play this for you guys starting from the court itself. All right, and you'll be able to see it here. So let me just do this, and as you can see, it's glitching right now. Well, I'm not glitching, but you see that's lagging right now, which it shouldn't. Pause open. I appreciate it. You know what? It's hot out here. Yeah, I came here. I went to your website and I didn't see a form to appeal a decision, and I'm within the 20-day timeline to file for a motion to reopen and vacate. Okay. I believe that has to be done in the Superior Court to try the case. It has to be done through the Superior Court? I think. If it was done here? Do you have their email address? Hold on. Let me make sure that I'm saying that I'm giving the right information. The year. This is the email here. I have the transcript with the woman who I was speaking with, and it contradicted what she was stating to me. And I also have the transcript from the court that states that I, within my right. On June 2nd, when I had emailed this court that I wanted to keep the case open and push it to trial, that I was denied, and I was told it was closed. So I came in here. Yeah. One moment. Thank you. Okay, so the woman that I spoke with said that you were getting another complaint. She said that, but it would violate against Rule 7.7-7. It would, and I have that rule also. It would. That's a legality that she's literally defined intentionally. That would show. Yeah, that's actually going against the law. Can I speak to her personally? Thank you. Thank you. Hi, how are you? Fine, thank you. Are you Seneca? No, I'm not. I'm Alliant? Oh, yes. Okay. Well, I just want to make sure that I'm keeping record of who it is I'm addressing, because the last time I spoke to Camacho and she's not available. Right. Okay. Is she still here? No, she's still here, but she's not here right now. Okay. All right. So basically, I'm still in my right. I understand that that it was closed or dismissed, but you do have 20 days in order to still contest that under Rule 7:7-7. You can still within 20 days that you can still do that. So why am I being denied that? Why am I being denied that right? They're saying I have to make another complaint, but it's just but that would basically open up everything all over again. I just want to basically push this matter to trial. No, you have to. The presiding judge said that you have to. He said that he said that it was closed. He said that it was closed. However, according to the rules and according to the law, I did abide all those. So, do you want the form to do it over again, though? Well, basically, you're going to close that one and you're going to reopen it again? No. This is going to be a new complaint. Can I email you also the information that I was going to provide with this, with the motion to reopen? So I'm not allowed to go ahead and do that. You're saying that I can't do that because the case has been closed by the judge, and the only option that I have is to write another complaint. And the complaint is that it will basically have me go through a process all over again that basically took me 2 years the last time, right?
Yes, ma'am. That's what the presiding judge said. But you have to do a whole new complaint.
Presiding Judge George, even though I was in the deadline?
With deadline.
There's a 20 days. If he closed it and it was supposed to be closed on June 4th, then you have 20 days to contest that.
You said you have 20 days to contest that. So, yes, Judge George said that you have to file a new complaint.
Okay, I understand that the one that was made on June 4th, 2024, that case is closed, permanently closed, donezo. However, I can appeal that, and I have 20 days to do that. Today is the 20th day.
We told you on June the 6th that you have to file a new complaint.
That was the option if I wanted to do this matter all over again, but I can contest that. No matter whether or not this is open or closed, I still have 20 days. Just like on your website, you literally have the option. Like, your number one option is that you can go ahead and right.
Say that you have to file a new complaint.
Okay, but that was only under the condition if I wanted to go ahead and just talk about the same person. End result for that case. So, all right, look, imagine if I was actually the defendant. Okay, imagine if I was a defendant and they actually was just like, you know what, you're guilty. No, I'm the victim. So, but imagine if I was a defendant. So, what if he has said, case is closed, defendant, you are charged. Okay, that's what it would be. We only have a link on your website where you can appeal that, contest it. They would pay $100 plus $500 for the transcript fee, which is what I believe it's the amount to. Yes, because that's what I had asked DCA Camacho last time. So I'm not the defendant, I am the victim. So therefore, even though the case is closed, whether I'm the defendant or the victim, I oppose this and I want to push this, hence the motion to reopen and vacate.
Right, so we said only what you have to do is to file a new charge.
Now that reopens it, but okay. Can I get your name, please, for the record, so that we can go ahead and can you send that via email, or I'm sorry, can I get your email? Thank you so much. We appreciate it. I don't want to be litigious. It's just that. Thank you. Is that your email? Can I have your email too?
It's my name.
Okay, this is
Do you want it back?
Yes, I will take that back.
Do you want the disclaimer on this?
No. What happens to that file? Like, how long is that in your system for? The case in itself. How long is that in the system for? The case that was closed, that was closed, basically, it's supposed to be dismissed, it was closed, and all that jazz. Like, how long is that? Does it stay in the records permanently in your file? That it's closed now, so eventually it's going to get erased from your system?
If the judge say yes, yes.
However, we do have transcripts that would go for this, though, right? Yeah, like you can always order transcripts for something like this, for this matter. So how long does that stay in the system? 5 years. All right, awesome. Good to know. One final thing, and thank you so much for your help. I know you're closing. Just wanted to make sure that with the transcript, 5 years, would there be any other way to get it to the victim, or is that like a discounted rate, or do I still have to pay that $500? Okay, is that the email that I sent you? Yeah. Okay, and I can is that the one I just gave you or not? Okay. I can always just email who is the person who left 22? Is it still Camacho or is it somebody else? Yes, from court. Does this matter ever get pushed to the Superior Court or no? Okay, but not it just stays in each department. I shall.
I was taking one. That's what I'm doing. She's right there. Hold on. So sorry. Okay. Okay. So I just want to know, since the case is closed, do I get the reason as to do I get a written reason as to why the judge had closed it? Like, can I request the written reason as to why? I do believe I'm allowed that right. You can spend that request to Sharon Court, and then we'll figure out which judge matter. Right reason as to why he had denied it. Can I get a confirmation on that? Because I would hate to be, and to who I was in that. Thank you. Probably grab it from the side. The other part? Yes, sir. She's a big gal. Okay, hold on. I grab it. No, that's okay. Right there. I got it. Oh, you grab it? Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Hi, Cody. Oh, we don't live here. I get real. Yeah. She said yes, check. Give him a minute. Okay, thank you. Awesome. Unfortunately, they were until 4:30. They were streaming to the last minute. It could have been easy yesterday. Okay, so because I was basically denied, he said that he closed it. I just wanted to know what was the stipulations or what was the reasons as to why you came to that conclusion. Not well, not you, but like the judge, why you came to that conclusion. I'm pretty sure. So what the judge said is they are trained in. Well, no, it's just like, like even when it comes to like court cases, you'd be like, based on the providing evidence, it's come to the conclusion that I vote, or like this is guilty or closed. So. That's like 99%. Well, that's why I wanted to go ahead and get that kind of in writing because basically I wanted to know exactly from his words exactly as to why I believe that I wanted to know from his words why I believe that is the formality in which the person is able to see. I would like to know why it was closed. I would like to know why the case was closed. Why 2022-3989 was closed. So like. I'm sorry, what did you name? Come on. Okay. Is that the is that the representative that like the so so when you say this you know what? As you are reiterating these words to me, I literally had the same kind of questions because those are the words that were reiterated to me. Those were the words that were said to me, basically. And I wanted to, and I'm just, reiterating them to you. So the fact that you don't know, that's why I had to ask, like, what is your name and like, what is your position? Because they would know. Leaving you to answer this on their behalf is kind of unprofessional, considering that one, I'm the victim, and two, I'm actually asking questions in regards to a case that could possibly still be opened and be like reopened.
He was a general clerk, by the way.
Right? Right? I see you shaking your head, but it's like, yeah, like. Mm-hmm. Will people be able to like sneak out at this time? I said, will people be able to sneak out at this time and not answer my question if you happen to go to them and ask them?
Because I was talking to a clerk. And he was just sitting there reading everything?
Yes. I was to require somebody to get confirmation and they happen to leave. Like right now. Please get out of my head. I'm like literally this is the same situation I had.
He was making like these funny faces, like he was confused, and I'm like, dude, seriously. Because it's contradictory.
All resolved if they actually had the moxie, responsibility, and respect to input. Wait, what are you saying? She said something 5 times. Like, over eyes. Sorry. Like, is there a problem? Because I mean, literally.
It's a bond. It's actually the bank of the charge. But once you enter in that,
But did you see that I did make communications to keep it open, right? On June 2nd originally. I wasn't a day late and I spoke to Camacho.
so, okay. I cannot give you legal advice, but based on what happened here, and if what you're trying to do, the best course of action is to file new charges based upon the things you said. Okay, this person has even though the judge ordered that.
In the meantime, I'll take that paper, but in the meantime, I'm just like, I'll hold on to that. Can you find the June 2nd email?
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right.
Okay. This must say do you see the June 2nd email? I get my calls within top of them.
I also see this as
You're not supposed to say that within the year because it's the thing was on the June 4th.
okay. I'm not trying to be difficult. I'm telling you what you need to do in order to get what you want. If you don't want to do that, I don't know what else I can do.
Okay, but I'm just saying, I just don't want to be claimed as the one that's being irrational. Because, like, if you tell me what the rules are and then I apply that those rules and I'm told something else, then that seems like pushing a rule.
I got you. That's completely irrelevant to me. But I don't. If you're rational, that's nothing.
No. I mean, as long as you were telling me, basically, I was valid, but I still have to, regardless, I still have to do what it is that I wanted to do.
I don't know what. I don't have the authority to say it's wrong or not. You know, I get what the question is.
Statement.
Sure. At this point, I mean, there's nothing else I can say other than we're getting the father in charge of or not. There's not much else I can tell you. Is this yours? Or is this somebody else?
I mean, if they are not respecting it, there's no need to give it to them.
Okay, so yeah, this was given to me. I don't know if I can or not.
Well, that's fine. I do have copies of them, and they have a copy
So they have my own copies. Okay, guys. So I'm leaving, and that's all I wanted to show you guys. Like, basically, I have proof. Looking at the paperwork I had Not only the transcript, the emails, motion to vacate. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. It's really nothing just but me walking. They didn't even answer fully about, like, why the judge, denied it. So I went ahead and proceeded with an email. And as you can see, there is me walking over the carpet at the Trenton Municipal Court. There is also the sunlight of me. And again, it is June 25th, 5:46 a.m. right now, which would imply that before on or before June 24th, I was in Trenton Municipal Court in order to go ahead and file for a motion to reopen vacate judgment. But I'm being transparent with you guys and telling you that this was all happening yesterday. The indications for that is, one, the security guard himself, he was just like, wow, it's like really hot. Yesterday was like the hottest this week. It's like 100 degrees. And I think it was like the hottest that we had so far in Trenton, New Jersey. Two, you literally see not only just, like me walking to and fro from my vehicle to get and then, me at the desk there in order to apply, but they denied me. They absolutely denied me. So, guys, I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching this. They made it really, really difficult in order for me to download this via the website. I couldn't download this video for anything, and that was insane. So, this is what I'm going through right now. This is literally what I'm going through. I will check back with you guys all later. In the meantime, thank you again. Please share the really messy room. Once upon a time, this was my studio room, but I am preparing to like transform it and rearrange everything. But that's not another conversation. I just wanted to put it out there about the context of like what happened yesterday. So that way I can upload just this half and show them too. Yeah, so right now I'm trying to download the video and it's not downloading the full video. It only downloads the part about me at the library. I'm having technical issues trying to upload it. So, I'm at impasse right now. Motion to reopen vacate. Okay, so I upload that. And I upload this. All right, guys. I'm gonna give this one more go, and I'm gonna film. I'm gonna record this from my phone. Okay. But check on my Facebook. I'm gonna record this from my phone, live stream it, and then upload it later. All right, guys. All right. That's what we do.